In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this Redmi. You need to begin by accessing your keyboard. Now, if mic icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear one next to clipboard. Then click on voice typing section and tap on this gray switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you're ready, go back. Now you need to click on the microphone icon at the top right corner to start voice typing. Select while using the app in the pop-up. And when you finished, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!